Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, today we have this R300 inverter welding machine. This is single card, and problem with this machine is once we connect to the power supply and it is showing us short circuited in the series. I just connect to the supply and you can see the lamp light is on and it doesn't work. You can see the series lamp is on, switch is in on position, and while we off it's just off. And let's start to trace the fault. You can see this machine is almost new and these two IGBTs main is not damaged, no any resistance, or this 24-volt circuit, it doesn't look damaged also. So what we do, we first check with the rectifier, and we see we just remove the wire. I hope this gonna work because most of the time this rectifier is damaged. I just remove these positive and negative jumpers and mean slug, and you will see after we connect the supply if the this rectifier is faulty or no. I just remove those cables. You can see here I remove those cables, only AC is connected, and again we connect to the supply and you can see this lamp is on. It's mean this rectifier is short circuited. We have to replace this one, and once we replace, because I already check inside the capacitor doesn't damage. Now we just replace this rectifier and then we see we remove those cables and we open this. You can see little bit heatsink paste. We replace with another rectifier. I have this one. This is S50 VB100. It's more efficient than the previous one. That one was S25 VB, the current difference, so I use this one to replace. Now before I connect to the positive and negative supply, I replace that rectifier, and I show you here. You can just see I plug in the supply and the lamp doesn't on, and I just reconnect those cables, and you will see I connected now positive and negative, and I plug on the machine. I turn on the switch and you can see now the machine is on. It means the problem only with the rectifier. I hope you guys like my channel and like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more welding related issues. I hope this will help you. And I just check the output voltage. You can see there is 71 DC voltage. So subscribe my channel for more electromechanical videos. Thank you.